In question number 1, we have to identify which of the following algebraic expressions are polynomials. Out of this, which are polynomials, we have to identify. Identify means we have to find out. In question number A, given algebraic expression is this 2x minus 3, and as we know in algebraic expression, if the power of variable in every term is non-negative integer, then it is a polynomial. Here power of x in this first term 2x is 1 and power of x in this second term minus 3 is 0. These both 1 and 0 are non-negative integer, so this algebraic expression is a polynomial. Similarly, in this B, power of x, here variable is x, so we have written here power of x in x square is 2, in minus 7x is 1 and in 3 is 0. These all 2, 1 and 0 are non-negative integer, so this given algebraic expression is also polynomial. In this C, question number C, given algebraic expression is this, power of x in this first term is 4, in this is 5 by 2, this 5 by 2 is not integer, and in 5x2 is 2, minus 7 is 0, this is not integer, so this algebraic expression is not a polynomial. Here power of x in this term is 5, in this term is 3 and in this term is 0, and this all 5, 3 and 0 are non-negative integer, so this algebraic expression is a polynomial. In this, the given algebraic expression is this, here there is root x, this root x can be written like this, x power 1 by 2, and again we have to multiply this. When we multiply, we have to add their powers of this x and this x. Here power is 1 and here power is 1 by 2, so 1 plus 1 by 2 is 3 by 2, and in every terms other than this there is non-negative integer, but here there is not integer, this 3 by 2 is not integer. Since power of x in this 3x root x is not an integer, the given algebraic expression is not a polynomial. In this question number F, the given algebraic expression this is not a polynomial as the power of x in its term is non-negative integer. Here 6, 4, 3, 1, 0 all are non-negative integers, so this is a polynomial. In question number G, the given algebraic expression this is not a polynomial as the power of x in this is minus 3, which is negative integer. As we know, for becoming polynomial there must be non-negative integer, but here due to presence of negative integer this given algebraic expression is not a polynomial. Here also the given algebraic expression is this, and in this term is y as power minus 1, which is negative integer, so this algebraic expression is also not a polynomial. In question number 2, we have to find the degree of each of the following polynomials. As we know, to find degree of given polynomials, we have to first find the degree of each terms of the given polynomial, and the highest degree is the degree of polynomial. Here in question number 2a, given polynomial is this, degree of this first term is 3, of this is 2, and of this is 1, and of this is 0. Here highest degree is 3, so degree of this given polynomial is 3. In this question number 2b, both x and y are variable, we have to add this both power or add this both degree, so that we can find degree of this whole term. 2 plus 2 equals to 4, and degree of this term is degree of this x plus degree of this y, 1 plus 2 3, and here degree of this 7y, here y has degree 1, and degree of this term 7y is 1, degree of this term constant term is always 0. Here highest degree is 4, so degree of polynomial is 4. Similarly, here in question number C, degree of this term is 1, degree of this term is 4, degree of this term is 5, highest degree is 5, so degree of polynomial is 5. In this question number D, degree of this term is 2 plus 1 3, degree of this term is 2 plus 3 5, and degree of this term is 4. Highest degree is 5, so degree of polynomial is 5. Question number 2. In question number 3, we have to identify the following polynomials, whether they are monomial, binomial, trinomial, or polynomial. For this, we have to see how many number of terms are there in this given polynomial. In question number 3a, number of terms is 2, so it is binomial. In B, number of terms is 3, so it is trinomial. In C, number of terms is only 1, so it is monomial. In D, number of terms is 4, and so it is a polynomial. As we know, if a polynomial contains more than 3 terms, then it is a polynomial. In question number 4, we have to express this following polynomials in standard form. In question number 4a, given polynomial is this, and either we can arrange this polynomial in ascending order or descending order of degrees. Here degree of this term is 2, degree of this term is 1, degree of this term is 0. Since we are arranging in ascending order, so at first we are writing term containing degree 0, that is 8, and term containing degree 1 is 3x, and term containing degree 2 is this 2x square. We can arrange this in descending order also and make standard form like this 2x square plus 3x plus 8 also. We can do in any way, but we do not need to do both process. Similarly, here in 4b, given polynomial is this, here degree is 2 plus 2 4, here 1 plus 4 5, here 2, here 0. So we are arranging this in ascending order, so containing degree 0 at first we are writing, then containing degree 2, and containing degree 4, then containing degree 5. In this way we have formed standard form of this polynomial. Similarly, here in this 4c, there are 2 terms containing x and x. We have to add this, which is 3x. At first we have arranged and then added. Here this term has degree 1, this term have degree 2, this have 3, and this have 0. So we have arranged in ascending order here. If we do not write arranging in ascending order like here, then also it is right. At first minus 9 containing degree 0, then containing degree 1 3x, then containing degree 2 minus 3x square, then containing degree 3 4x cube. So this is also standard form. If we write this in descending order, then from here to here we can write like 4x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 9. Like this also we can write. Similarly, here in 4d, given polynomial is this, and it has degree 2, it has degree 3, 1 plus 2 3, here 6, here 2 plus 2 4. So list is 2. At first we are writing this 2xy containing degree 2, and then this 3x square containing degree 3, then minus x square y square containing degree 4, then 4y6 containing degree 6. if we write this in descending order, then we can write in this way: 4y6 minus x square y square plus 3xy square plus 2xy.